morning, guys. So today is Wednesday and we're going out. Dapat talaga mag-work ako pero I will be having a COVID test today. Kukwento ko na lang sa inyo mamaya, guys, kasi we're supposed to be there 9:15 and it's already 9 a.m. Amelia, and after that, we might go to the food store. But anyways, we'll get going now. So guys, we're here, pero wala pa yung mga nurses or yung mag-check, hindi ko alam. So I'm just waiting inside the car. Wala pang tao, parang dalawa pa lang kami. Pero marami ako nakikita nagsistay sa car nila. So we'll just wait for them here while they're not yet here. Medyo natatakot ako kasi I watched the videos on YouTube yesterday. Ang haba nung swab na talagang ipapasok sa hanggang dito sa dulo. So medyo nakakakaba lang. But we don't have a choice. It's better to be sure than sorry. So we're here, guys. Dito kami magti-take ng test, yung black na tent doon. And this is actually where I work as well. Sa labas nga lang. So yeah, we have Amelia over here. Amelia. Kakagising lang, tingnan yung buhok. And of course, Martin. Thank you, Austin. Walang social distancing, guys. So guys, we're done with the COVID test. Is that the COVID test? And hopefully negative shot. We'll pray for them. So ngayon, pupunta kami ng city kasi mamimili kami ng grocery. Pero ako, mask naman ako, don't worry. And yeah, Martin is with us. Yun lang naman, mabilis lang. Tapos may kukunin lang kami package IKEA. And then home. So yun lang. Mabilis lang talaga. Both of them here in Östersund. So kami ni Martin, guys, we're just talking about going to Philippines. I really wanted to bring them along. Look at the weather right now, Martin. Oh, it's so good. How hot is it? 21°C in the shadow. How much more if you're out? Well, we haven't been to that look down there, where people always walk around near the water.
Badhusparken.
So ito yung Östersund, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Parang hindi city, pero nasa city tayo. So hi guys, we're here now in South. In South. We're here in Östersund. So nagpa-park lang. Nagpark na si Martin. Palabas kami. Punta kami ng IKEA. Wait. So, andito na naman tayo. Punta kami ng IKEA muna pagkatapos. Punta kami ng saan ba? Cook. When are we going to get Amiya's tata? We should have just got it here. So, yun na nga. Iba-vlog. Sino yung may nagti-TikTok dito?
No, today.
So, we have to go to IKEA.
It was in Östersund yesterday.
Batang to. So we have to go to IKEA then. Okay, we're here. Let's go in. Don't press wrong, my love. Kasi parati siyang mali dito.
Where are we going now?
IKEA. Let's go around. Let's go around the mall as well. Libot-libot lang. So we'll go around there.
It smells sweat in here.
Yeah, I know. It's so gross. So yeah. The bag is so cute, Ang cute. Ay, here, diba? We will go. Yeah. Ay, the clock, the watches is in front. Here. Yeah. Here, my love, Ang gaganda ng watch. Pero bibili tayo ng G-Shock today. Bibili ako ng dalawa para sa brother ko at saka yung isa para sa brother-in-law ko. At saka yung isa, yung ganun lang yung bibilin ko. Yung gold. Para naman sa isang kapatid ko sa America. Yeah, the one we had bought just today. So gusto kong bilhan si Martin ng isa. Yun. There, malabo, 70%. Yan yung kukunin ko for him. So, we will be buying 4 watches today. Yun. Tapos 2 G-Shock and isang Casio na watch. Let's go, Mia. Let's go. Ang dami nilang mga abubot.
Okay.
Here. 238, my love, for that. Don't touch
Those
it.
ones are 149.
Let's get for the 149. But the one with the design is better. Kasi hindi pa naman din marunong check si Amelia ng watch. Ng time. But I really want the pink one. Yes, which one do you want? They also have here, Amelia. Mahilig silang ganito, parang Michael Kors. Pero hindi siya Michael Kors. Expensive pa din, no? So, ang ganda din ito. May mga G-Shock sila sa likod. Na ibang model daw. Pero yung gold talaga gusto kong kunin. Tsaka isang either dun. So, yeah. We're going to Apple. I really don't like to eat here, my love. Hindi talaga ito masarap dito, guys. Not to be mean. Mama. What is it? Are you thirsty? Should we get you something to drink? Ito yung yung keypad na may trackpad. Look, Martin. It's really like a laptop, no? Wow, this is so cute. Ito naman is the Air. How much is the keyboard, Martin? 1.7 for the keyboard. So, ito yung same with mine. 12,995. Meron pala siyang ibang kulay. I don't know why, pero gustong-gusto ko talaga products ng Apple. Kaso ang mahal nila. This is the MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro as well. And this one is, oh my god, mga nasa 150,000 siguro ito. For 512 gig. Ayan. So what more kung mas mahal? So we're here in Netanet. Very nice weather. What else should we do today, my love? Ayan. So, punta kami dito kasi maghahanap ako ng extra battery sa GoPro ko. And Martin will look for Bluetooth 3.5mm na jack for his car receiver. So, ito na muna phone muna gagamitin ko, guys. Kasi low bat yung atin. Uy, this is good, my love. Oh. For lemon. Lemon water. You know that you have to do that too? I'll get you one. I'll get one for myself, 29 cents. Hello, it's so nice. Open it. It's so huge. And then we sell barbecue.
So.
For us to get the price back. I love, oh, Samsung soundbar. How much?
Or something, maybe 30,900.
So expensive. So guys, wala talaga kami nabili. Ano lang, soap dishwasher. No, yeah, no, dishwasher soap. Tapos punta kami ngayon ng El Gigante. Baka mas mura yung battery nila dun. Yung battery nila dito ang mahal, sobra. So baka may mahanap kami na mas mura dun. But if wala, then I'll just get a portable. No, I'll just bring with me my portable charger. El Gigante. Going. No, pick something that you want. Guys, andito kami sa El Gigante and he can't decide. My love, you have picked a lot of headsets already and you always return it because you don't want it.
It's the same.
This one is just a newer version of that one.
But how much?
Huh?
How much?
This one is 800.
Nah, not worth it. The price difference.
But I still get the one I want.
Happy. We're here.
Just this one I know is reliable.
Yes.
It's the one I
No, I'm not stopping. Ang ganda oh. 4,000 plus. Dito naman mga speakers. May mga maliliit, malalaki. Ganito yung binigay sa akin ni Martin last Christmas. Ang ganda ng sound guys, as in. Kahit na mahal siya, pero worth it yung pera. Amelia, come here now. Hold me. Kulit ng batang. Guys, I really wanted to get one. Ito naka-sale siya oh. To 490. You will save around 1,500 Swedish kronor. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng isa yan. And yeah, we'll get one of those things. And then, I also got this one. Hindi na ako bumili ng battery kasi tingnan nyo naman, 149 lang. And meron na siyang charger port. Ayan. So, while you're filming, pwede ka nang mag-charge. Hindi siya malulubat. So, okay lang yan. Kaysa naman sa battery. Ito, 149 yung battery is 330 something or 360. Mas mahal. So, ano ba? Tingin-tingin tayo. So guys, we're picking up, malove this one. We're picking up such stuff kasi gugupitan ko si Martin. Malove, trust me, I can do this. So we'll get this one. You don't want this one, which looks, no, that's cheap. Okay, let's get this. Let's get this.
Where is it then?
Not sure, but the name is Series 5000 Philips. So guys, gugupitan natin siya. And if it won't look as nice, I'm gonna pay him. Pero pag maganda, if I will
have a Series 7000.
if I will cut it good, my love, then it's you who will pay, okay?
No.
You?
No.
Is that for beard? Maybe it's for beard. So, andito lang kami, guys.
And for
Wala
hair.
kami, trim and flow. Yeah, it's really for that. Series 5000 Philips. So, hanapin namin kasi hindi namin makita. My God. This is the chance. Kasi
We don't
ilang
have it.
beses ko na siyang pinilit. But ngayon lang siya pumaya. Wait, I'll look. And then, yeah, let's just ask. So, we're torn between this and the other one. Tapos, naghahanap din kami ng gunting, guys, na maganda. We should look for scissor, my love. Na maganda kasi panggupit. Yeah, so I can cut your hair like a trimming scissor. Where? Here for girls. Naghahanap ako ng gunting. Wala kaming nahanap kasi na yung detangling brush, guys. Wala akong nahanap. So, ngayon, we'll just look for that. Medyo kinakabahan ako, but I'm gonna cut his hair in a separated video para katuwaan. Wait a second, daming tao. Natatakot akong pumunta sa madaming tao. I can't find a scissor. How much?
$5.99.
This one is?
That one was $2.95 or something.
Which one should we get?
To you.
Let's just get this. And then a scissor, because we need a good scissor. Yeah, it's always fun to buy stuff, and it's always so bad when we can see our bills. So, yeah, sobrang init. Now we're going home. But before we go inside the car, Amelia, we have to... Wait, I have the alcohol inside my bag. We have to use the alcohol para sure lang. So, ayan. Punta na kami. Uwi na kami. No, we will order first McDonald's. Tapos, uwi na kami sa bahay. Oh, wait lang. So, guys, we're home. I'll just fix the kitchen a bit. Tapos, we'll start fixing the things that we bought. So, let's go to the... So, let's go sa living room, guys. Benta. Put this in your bedroom. Did you take the vitamins this morning?
Yeah.
Have you? Not yet.
I
My love, did you give her the vitamins this morning? So, guys, dito lahat yung pinamili namin. So, ito, this is for our dishwasher. Ayan, so, lalagay natin dito. I haven't cleaned the kitchen yet. And then, ito yung ating mga pinamili. And I also got new plants from IKEA. Tsaka mga package. So excited to unbox! Ayan. Nalagyan na natin dyan. Go. Let's get the other one. So this morning when I woke up, naglinis na ako kaagad. Amelia, your food here, you have to finish. Kasi alam ko na aalis kami. So, para pag uwi, malinis na yung bahay. Ayan. So, ito yung mga nabili namin. First off, with this Martin's headset. Why do you like that one?
This is my favorite. I don't know. It fits my ear perfectly. It has good sound, easy to use.
What brand is that?
Corsair, of course.
Yep, likes that.
And if Corsair watching, sponsor me.
Sponsor me. And then this one, so we'll be cutting Martin's hair mamaya. If you film ko guys, don't worry. So ayan. Woo, I'm excited. And then ito naman is for Amelia's tab, kasi binilhan namin siya ng tab guys, kasi ayoko na gamitin niya yung isang iPad ko kasi grabe siya kung maglaro. Umiinit talaga yung tab. So yep. And then, ano pa ba? This one is a grip and a charger for my GoPro. Ito, wala, suklay lang para mamaya kay Martin. Then, battery. So, yep. So, ito yung binili natin na mga watch dun sa city kanina. So, we got this G-Shock. Papakita ko sa inyo. Maganda siya. Buti na lang talaga may ibang mga models pa sila na pinakita sa akin, which is nagustuhan ko din naman. So this one is, wait, ito guys, maganda siya. Na-check ko na to kanina sa store. Ayan, ang ganda niya, color red na G-Shock. And there you go. Or baliktad. Ayan. Maganda. Maganda yung pagkaka-red niya talaga. Super sexy. Here. And we also have a black one. Wait. So, this one is the all matte black na G-Shock. Maganda din siya. Sobrang linis niya tingnan. There. Ayan. Nababagayan siya ng kahit anong damit. And we also have this one. This one, I'm not sure. Hindi ata siya G-Shock, but still from the same brand. Wait. So, this one is just simple. Ayan. Pero maganda talaga siya. Yung kulay niya, yung design niya, ang ganda, ang cute-cute. Hindi nagpo-focus yung camera natin. Hello. Focus. Ayan. So, ayan siya. So there, and we also have the last one, yung 70% off din, which is Gant. This watch. Ayan. It's Gant. And ang social nung box niya. Here, it's just a simple one, and it's a leather. Genuine leather. There. Leather talaga siya. And very simple, very formal looking lang na watch. So guys, I decided na ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung plant. Kasi, pero separate natin yung video ng kung paano ko sila aalagaan. Look! Nasunog siya! Nasunog ko yung dahon ng aking monstera. Oh my gosh. Nasa ano kasi siya? Nasa window part ng sasakyan. And iniwan namin sa loob ng sasakyan. So, nasunog siya. I think mamamatay to or something. Pero hopefully not. Malaki pa naman siya. So, I got this plant guys from IKEA. So, ang daming magagandang plants sa IKEA. And I also have this, and murang-mura sila. Promise, sobrang mura nila. I have this bamboo na, tawag dito, bamboo tree. Hindi ko sure, pero ang ganda niya. One of these is only 100 pesos kasi 20 sek lang siya. So, I got 5. Tapos, meron din tayo nito. This is their Gynocalcium. Hindi ko alam yung name. Paano basahin? So, ayan. So, there you go. Oops, not the address. There. And we also have a red one, which is so cute. Maganda to guys for decorations. Ayan. And then, Amelia, charge this. And then, we have these. Ito lahat guys, they're real. They're not fake or anything. Totoo po sila. Ayan, so maganda for decorations as well. And a new snake plant na gustong gusto ko yung design niya. So, problema ko na lang kung saan ko siya ilalagay. So, dyan na muna sila. And later on, we'll unbox them. So, yun yung mga baby plants ko. And, yeah, I have a lot of new plants. Meron din ako nito. This is what they call rubber plant. I forgot the name, but I will be doing a video naman sa lahat ng mga plants ko, guys, and how I take care of them. Sobrang ganda nito. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. But yeah, we'll have it separated. And tingnan nyo, yung, may in-order ako na plant, yung rubber plant ko, and they gave me a free cactus. Sobrang liit, di ba? Sobrang liit ng cactus. Ayan. Tapos may pot pa sila na binigay. So, I put it here sa kanyang mommy. So, para mainit. Maganda kasi yung sunlight dito kapag ka morning. So, yep. So, that's it, guys. That's for our vlog today. And I'm super duper tired. I'm exhausted. But, yeah, that's basically our day. And we'll be making a separated video about my plants and how I take care of them. And a separated video about kung bakit ako nagpa-COVID test today. So, we'll just be waiting for the result for that. And once I get the result, I'll be telling you more kung bakit ako nagpa-test and what happened. And after, ano ba? Yeah, I'll be cutting Martin's hair today as well. So, i-vlog din natin. And for sure, that will be so fun. And I'll be sharing with you, of course, kung ano yung magiging resulta kay Martin. And yeah, that's it. That's basically it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So, thank you guys for watching. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!